Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate the hand-beat cucumber. Ingredients are cucumber 1 piece. Seasonings we have brown vinegar 3 tablespoons, white vinegar 2 teaspoons, drinking water 1 tablespoon, chopped garlic 1 tablespoon, table salt 1/4 teaspoon, granulated sugar 1/2 teaspoon, chopped red hot chili 1/2 teaspoon. First of all, we wash cucumber, cut both ends and rub until white jelly bubbles comes out and rinse it. Cut middle into 2 pieces first, then cut lengthwise, each one to become 4 pieces. Use spoon to scrape away the seeds. Put cucumber pieces into a food bag, then use Chinese chopper to beat them until pieces. Put all seasonings into a glass mixing bowl, combine with cucumber pieces, stir them well. Finally, we keep refrigerate until cool and serve. Enjoy!